we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Tyler Portable CD Player Boombox with FM radio, Bluetooth, and USB port, that features are include. Multiple playback options. Blast your tunes anywhere. Our CD Player Portable offers USB drives, AUX, Bluetooth, and FM stereo radio as play options. Now, you can play your favorite music from any source, anytime, anywhere. High-quality sound. Our Boombox features dual high-quality speakers that deliver clear, powerful audio. Customize your listening experience with 5 EQ modes: flat, classical, jazz, rock, and pop. Enjoy an immersive audio experience tailored to your favorite music genres. Note: remove the protective cardboard from the lens before inserting a CD. FM radio with memory stations. Easy access. Easily scan and save up to 20 of your favorite FM stations. Enjoy one-touch access to news, sports, and music, keeping you connected and entertained. Perfect for road trips, picnics, or backyard BBQs. The compact, lightweight design makes it easy to take your Boombox everywhere. Batteries not included. User-friendly design, easy to use. Ideal for children and elderly loved ones, the Klim Boombox features simple controls and a clear manual for easy use. It makes a great gift for all music enthusiasts. Playback your favorite CDs, CDR, RW, HD CD, WMA, MP3 CDs and audiobook CDs, with different playback functions. AC battery operated, tension-free usage. Power supply 1x AC power cord, 100 to 240 volt AC, 50/60 Hz, or 4XR14/size C dry batteries, 6 volt DC, can be used, giving you multiple options to use your Boombox the way you want to. Requires 4C batteries, not included, best with alkaline batteries. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.